What? Fuck, I fucked up. Shit. Hey guys, what's going on? Yeah, I'm playing some fucking white noise and I don't want to do. This asshole that I just met wants me to play Kivatoya. I don't want to. He called me a pussy. He called me a fucking pussy. You beated it? You beated this map? You beat it at it? Did you beat it hard? I found the tape. It's mine, asshole. Fuck you. No. No, I probably just woke my damn mom up. So if the recording stops in like 2 minutes, my mom will be in my room. Maybe even less. Quit fucking leaving me, god damn it. I'm a freaking white girl. God damn it. White bitches in high heels. Why the fuck would you wear high heels to go out in the damn woods? Can I pull like some Saw sick shit? Like just like cut myself open like right now? Like I mean like the blade's going through my body. Like shit. Like what the fuck? Where the fuck did you go? Dodo. Where the fuck did you... I'm letting them take me. Fuck this shit. I'm gonna be like humping the logs and shit. It's dangerous to go along. No, fuck you, game. You know that? Fuck you. I don't even care anymore. God damn it, why the fuck did you have to come and find me? And now you're just gonna fucking ditch me? What the fuck is this? No, don't do that. Don't be an asshole. Where is he? No, he didn't. Shut that up. Shut the fuck up. No, he wasn't. I'm gonna go ahead and walk alone because it's dangerous to go alone. No, fuck that shit. Fuck. Hate this damn game already. You've already found 3 tapes? Holy shit. I found you. You're actually walking, actually. You're just like... Yeah, like you got your damn light going down whenever you're only speed walking. Like, what the fuck? Look at this. I'm speed walking. I'm not fucking sprinting. Pick up the speed, asshole. See, look, see how fast he is walking? Oh. Oh, I fucked up. I fucked up big time. Oh, fuck that shit. If she's a fucking race car driver, what the fuck does that do? That doesn't do shit for you. That's what I would do, shit. Like, how the fuck did they get you? Take me! Take me, asshole. Fucking take me, you piece of shit. Fucking take me. I'm walking as close to him as I can. Yes! Yes! I got close to him. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end that there. I'm going to end this one here. So, yeah, that's white noise. Kill yourself. Don't buy the game. It's a piece of shit.